Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrade.com. It is Friday, the 10th of July. This is our weekly recap video. It goes out to every member as well as everybody on my email list and YouTube. If you're interested in learning more about me, please stop by and visit us at smartoptiontrading.com. So let's talk about this week. What was this week like? This week, if you played and you watched the indexes, you probably were frustrated beyond belief. It was one of those weeks where we chopped around, 5 days going sideways, where we still have this candle here, at least right now with about 40 minutes to go, as the control candle, keeping this gap from quite being filled. And right now we're coming right into it on the SPY on a very, very low volume day. But if you ignored the indexes this week and you focused like we did this week on news, on technicals, and on option flow, there was so much to do and it was a great week. And bottom line, if you're looking at the SPY, you really need to be looking at the Qs, because the Qs here at yet another all-time high are what's leading, and this is where the money's flowing into. This is where the money's going. This is where it is. And if you're trying to play elsewhere, you're probably frustrated and you're hurting and you're not really happy what's going on out there. So yeah, this is where you want to be. So what was good this week and what was in play this week? Well, let's make it really, really simple, guys, and to simplify it. This week was about just names they came after and they rotated in and out. So Square had the monster move earlier this week. Big move up. Look at this. 1, 2, 3 days into now we have a 2-day pullback. We haven't even hit the 8-day. Still a great looking name, just taking a long needed rest. In that same space, PayPal put a new all-time high in this. PayPal put an all-time high in this week. Doing the same thing, taking a rest. What else did we play this week? Let me pull up my notes here and start looking at some stuff because it's been a busy, great week. Roku gave trades all week long. So no matter what you were doing, we traded Roku on and off throughout here this week. And then look at this 2-day move all the way up, filled this gap that dated all the way back to last year, filled that gap up here, took that gap out now, and we're all out of it here. But a great 2-day move on this name. This is the type of action we're looking for. Finally came in and gave it to us, and that was just a fabulous, fabulous trade. 2 days trading on Roku. Trades over here. Nice trades there. Boeing has given trades all week, even though it's chopping around. It continues to move big. Nice trades in there. AMD finally woke up. Look at that gorgeous move yesterday. Gave trade after trade in that one yesterday as well. Today, not so much. We held it overnight, made some money on the exit, on the open, and then it's just been out of play today. Speaking of incredible moves, how about NVIDIA? NVIDIA new all-time highs every day this week, up, and up, just grinding up higher as we go into earnings season next week. Massive great trades in that one as well. NEO, not a favorite of mine, but NEO here gave lots of trades this week. Some I traded a couple times, but huge move up here into this all-time high area now. We're sitting here trying to consolidate. Not to be outdone, BABA gapped up almost every day this week. Huge move up there as it goes into a reverse split next week. Going from an 8-for-1 split on that one. TME in that same space, big move. We traded this on big flow, came into it, gave a nice trades into this one up here as well. Beautiful moves to be had all around. You guys kind of see what I'm talking about here. What else was going on out there this week? Facebook took the week consolidating. I even traded a couple times. It's up here now. Some news just came in and knocked it down a little bit. We'll see how that reopens. Disney was my top secret trade of the day. The guys caught that. Nice little move here in Disney with theme parks reopening in Florida tomorrow, getting a pop. And what else did we look at, guys? Tesla. Oh, how about Tesla before we go anywhere? Tesla had this huge move up. Look at this explosive move today. I even made some money on it. Most of these guys traded better than me. I don't trade Tesla well. But look at this break. We talked about all week long how it was consolidating very nicely above this candle here. Here's your explosive move today to all-time highs. To go along with that space yesterday, you have a beautiful trade up in here into all-time highs. And the one I missed this week, which everybody else caught and I called the news, was Walmart. I sat like a deer in the headlights, but look at this, the great huge move in that one as well. Bottom line, there were just great trades to be had all over the place this week. Microsoft put all-time highs in this week. Look at that move here cooling off. Apple put all-time highs in this week. And we even saw some rotation today with names like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs here waking up in the banking space. So lots to do this week. If you took the noise out and you tried to ignore the markets and focus on where the option flow was, where the news was, and where the volume was, there was great stuff to do, and we just hit it all the week long and just a fabulous week. So hopefully everybody had a great week and have a great weekend post charts, probably tomorrow. And catch you guys all on Monday morning.